on the Cheap, and I thought I'd do a quick video here to announce the winners of my Mora basic knife giveaway promotion that I started at the beginning of this channel. I have two YouTube channels. I have a gardening one and this new one here. So when I started this channel, I announced on the gardening channel that I was creating this new channel and that anyone subscribed to it, the first 1,000 people that subscribed to Outdoors on the Cheap had a chance to win one of these Mora basic knives, exactly like this one here. High visibility, hard to lose. You can carry it as a neck knife or a belt knife, whatever you want. I recommend the neck knife. Anyway, we got about 500 subscribers almost overnight. And then it slowed down to like, so I think it's at about 570 right now. So my guess is that anyone that wants one of these has done that. So I just decided why keep people waiting, why prolong it, and just give them away, right? Now, if you're following from the gardening channel, you could also get any of the gifts I was giving away. I had a box full of products from a company called Safers. They're like organic pesticides and stuff. If you're one of my gardening viewers and you want one of those things too, you can have the knife and one of those things. All right, so you're just gonna have to get a hold of me. Let me announce the winners here. The winners are Sean Fawcett. I put all these names. These are all the new subscribers. I just lit all the subscribers as of this morning, lined them all up in an Excel file, and using the function called rand between, I randomly selected 3 people. So the winners are Sean Fawcett, Wayne Hebert, I can't read my writing here, I'll put it up on the screen. And the third person is N space MC. That's their YouTube name, N space MC. So if you're one of those 3 people, as of when this video goes up, you've got 3 days to claim your prize. You can get a hold of me through Facebook. Just go to Maritime Gardening or Outdoors on the Cheap and send me a message, and we'll get your address and we'll get it mailed out to you. Or you can go to my maritimegardening.com website, and there's a thing called, there's a thing you can click called Contact. Just go there, contact me that way. Just send me an email through that. We'll get you address and send it off to you. Okay, so that's that. But I'm going to do another promotion because I still want to get to 1,000 subscribers. So, and if you again, it's for that first 1,000 subscribers. So if you've already subscribed, you're still in the running for it. I'm going to give away 2 of these Silky Gumboy folding saws that I like so much. This here particular one, Silky Gumboy 210, it's the one I have. I think it's going to have a medium blade on it. So if you're already subscribed, I'm going to give away 2 of these. You still have a chance to win. The first 1,000 subscribers have a chance to win one of these. If you're already subscribed, you're among that 1,000, you're still in. Okay, but that one, we won't give them away till we get to 1,000. So stay tuned for that. I've got also, I guess I want to announce that I have a new partner for this channel. It's the Newfoundland Knife Company. They have a website. They sell axes, saws, and knives and stuff, things of that nature. They're providing these Silky Gumboy saws that I'm giving away. They're also giving a coupon code for my viewers. The coupon code is MGP2021, MGP 2021. If you use that coupon code for any purchase for the remainder of this year till December 31st, 2021, you get 10% off on anything they sell. That's a pretty good deal. So yeah, if you don't win the Silky Gumboy, but you want to buy a Silky folding saw, which I highly recommend. Basically all the working parts in these are metal, so they're very hard to break. I've had this one for, I don't know, probably 7 years, I guess. I've used it a lot. Basically, if I can't break it, it's unbreakable. The great thing about being all metal is it doesn't get brittle in the winter when you tend to use stuff like this, and so it's just sort of break proof. Also, the great thing about these is that you can have multiple blades, right? So the blade that I have on here is 20 teeth per inch. So that's not really good for bushcraft and stuff like that. It's more good for pruning in the garden and that sort of thing, which is what I've been using it for the last few days. You can have multiple blades, right? So this blade here is 7 teeth per inch, much more aggressive, saw cut. Now, if you watch that video where I was making the paddle from the fallen tree, I was using this 7 teeth per inch blade on this particular folding saw. They also sell this smaller one, a Silky Pocket Boy. Right, this one here has the fine teeth on it. This is, for me, I'd really, my preference is to have, out in the woods, is to have this one with the coarser blade. But you could use this one with the coarser blade, or depending on what you're doing, the finer blade, right? But if this one fits in a back pocket, this here one is sort of handy for having in a side pocket like this. Right? You can carry it on your person as opposed to in a backpack, so it's very, very, very handy. If you're just going out for the afternoon, you want to just bring something with you can use to, process wood. It's a pretty light. It's a lot easier to bring along than an axe, as I mentioned in a previous video. Of course, if you're going out for multiple days and you're going to need to cut up wood and that sort of thing, maybe you want to bring something like this, right? These are all things, I've had these for years and I've been using them for years. This is called the Silky Big Boy. This is the closest thing to a portable chainsaw I think you're going to get. I mean, of course it's not a chainsaw, but it's cheaper, way lighter, and almost as fast, right? You can go through a tree pretty fast with one of these things. This is great for bucking up wood and doing stuff like that. Very light, doesn't weigh much. If I had to do a lot of wood processing on a trip in the woods, I'd take something with this, like this, along with me. Also, just for the backyard, if you've got a lot of trees and you don't want to have a chainsaw because they're noisy or they're scary or they cost too much, for much less than a chainsaw, you can get one of these. As long as you keep this blade out of the dirt, it'll last for years and years and years. If you're just using this for wood and you treat it right, it'll last for years and years. All these Silky saws, they cut on the pull. The first one I ever bought was this Gum Boy, and basically I don't want to use anything else, right? They work that well. Really happy with them. I've never gotten any money from Gum Boy, and even the company that is doing this promotion with me, Newfoundland Knife Company, they're not giving me any money. And I already own these things. Basically, what they're offering is the coupon code to my viewers, MGP 2021, 10% off. And they're giving away 2 of these to my first 1,000 viewers have a chance to win 2 of these. That's what they're doing for me. Yeah, so if you want to buy one of these folding saws and you want to get a good deal, these are just, in my opinion, the best folding saw you can get. For the money, value for money. And if you've been watching my gardening channel, value for money matters to me. The value for money, these are the best folding saws you can get out there. The blades last a really long time as long as you treat them right. They cut on the pull, so you get the most out of your strength, your energy, so it's the most efficient sort of saw to use. It'll last a long time, and Newfoundland Knife Company has good prices on these, and of course you get the 10% discount. So, so check that out. So yeah, we got winners. If you're one of the winners for this thing, get a hold of me either through Facebook or through my website, maritimegardening.com. Sean Fawcett, Wayne Hebert, and N-MC. You got 3 days from when this video goes up to get a hold of me. Otherwise, I'll choose a new winner and give this to them. So get a hold of me. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.